Welcome to the CreditSaint Credit Education Guide, a comprehensive program designed to help you understand and manage your credit effectively. The first step is to check your credit report, which can be obtained from one of the 3 major credit bureaus. Review your report carefully to identify any errors or inaccuracies that may be affecting your credit score. Next, understand the key components that make up your credit score, including payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. Payment history accounts for the largest percentage of your credit score, so making timely payments is crucial. Now, let's talk about credit utilization, which is the ratio of your outstanding credit balance to your available credit limit. To maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio, keep your credit card balances below 30% of your available credit limit. Another important aspect of credit education is understanding the different types of credit, including revolving credit, installment credit, and open credit. Revolving credit, such as credit cards, allows you to borrow and repay funds repeatedly, while installment credit, such as personal loans, requires fixed monthly payments. To improve your credit score, focus on making consistent payments, reducing debt, and avoiding new credit inquiries. It's also essential to monitor your credit report regularly to detect any errors or identity theft. In addition to these strategies, consider implementing best practices such as setting up payment reminders, avoiding late payments, and keeping credit card balances low. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can achieve a healthy credit score and enjoy better financial opportunities. Remember, credit education is an ongoing process, and it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changes in the credit landscape. By taking control of your credit and making informed decisions, you can unlock better loan rates, lower interest rates, and a more secure financial future.